Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Before I start this video, I just want to make you all aware of my trading group that I have, my signal group. If you would like to receive signals from myself and the team here at Daily Market Movements, then please purchase the package. You can find the package on my website, www.dailymarketmovements.com. The link is below this video. So in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see, yesterday we did hit my take profit at the 9,000 level, and then we did pull back. I said that this would happen, and we pulled back all the way to the 8,573 level, so almost 500 points on the Nasdaq 100. So very volatile trading, and as you can see today, we are now trading up. This is due to Biden's Super Tuesday. I think there was a debate last night in the US, and he surprised a lot of people, and we are now surging as he will probably now challenge Donald Trump in the next election run. Where do we go from here? I still do not buy this bounce. I would only be willing to buy the Nasdaq 100 once we do break above that 50-day EMA. However, I do not think that we will gain enough strength to break above that 50-day EMA due to the coronavirus. Today, we had the Italian government coming out saying that they're going to close schools, universities for 2 weeks to try and prevent the spread of the coronavirus. The UK today come out saying that they had their biggest escalation of the virus, with 29 people now being diagnosed with it, now bringing the total number to 85. The US reported several cases. California have now stated a state of emergency. So things are not looking good at all regarding the coronavirus, and it's going to have a huge impact on the economy. And I still think that people who are buying this rebound here, you're very foolish. I don't think you understand the impact that the coronavirus is going to have. So many supply chains of so many companies, especially companies in the Nasdaq 100 portfolio, have had their supply chains heavily affected by the coronavirus. So I would be very skeptical of buying the Nasdaq 100 at this moment in time. I do see further declines, and I do see us breaking below the 200-day EMA and entering into bear market territory, which is below the 20%. Why are we seeing a bounce here? Well, it kind of had to happen. We found support at the 200-day EMA, and also we were extremely oversold on the RSI. However, so we have seen a very short bounce. We are now currently trading at the 43, so there is still room for us to move lower, and there is also still room for us to move higher, but I still think we will find some resistance at that 50-day EMA. So all in all, I'm be very wary of the Nasdaq 100. I wouldn't buy into this rebound. I think it will end up hurting a lot of accounts if you do buy this portfolio. So I'm going to be sitting on the sidelines, and I'm actually going to look to sell the Nasdaq 100 once we do drop below the 200-day EMA. I don't usually sell the Nasdaq 100 because it's a very strong portfolio of stocks. However, if we do break below the 200-day EMA, that will be a extremely bearish development for the Nasdaq 100, and I think it just has to be sold. If we do break above the 50-day EMA, I will then consider buying it, but it just depends on the headlines of the coronavirus. But if you are trading this pair, please do trade with small lots, as the markets are extremely volatile and it could damage a lot of accounts.